have selected the topic. Now they need to plan who will do work, what way and how. Now here teacher's role is again very important. The teacher discusses with the students about the problem in various angles and points. From different angle, he will make them understand what to do and how to do. Then after the free expression of the student's opinion about the problem, the teacher write down the whole program of action stepwise on the blackboard. So every group, he will sit with every group and he will make them understand what are the different steps required to follow to complete their project. In the process of planning, teacher has to act only as a guide and should give suggestions at times, but actual planning be left to the student. That means planning will be done by the student. Teacher is only helping them how to do it. How to do that planning, here teacher's role is very important. He is a proper guide who will understand who should do what type of work and where they should go and how to go and how to collect the data, how to present it, which date is sufficient to complete this process. All this guidance in this planning process, teacher has to take care. Fourth step, execution. Now planning is also over. Now they are going to start the project. So here students are starting their work in the first step by step. They are collecting the relevant information and materials at first. The teacher should give the time and write to the student according to their own speed, interest and ability. It should not happen that teacher is fighting to get the work done very fast. It should not happen. Rather, allow the children to run according to their own speed, according to their own ability and interest. Then they will not lose the interest of the project. During this step, the teacher should carefully supervise the students in manipulative skills to prevent waste of materials and to guide accidents. So this additional care teacher must take, like they should not waste anything, they should not face any accidents. All these type of precautions a teacher must take care along with the students. Teacher should constantly check up the relation between the chopped out plans and the development of the project. So whatever plan they made, whether students are going according to that plan or not, that taking care is very important work of the teacher. They should see that they are going according to their plan. Maybe sometime here and there they will go, but the teacher should be convinced that they can finish it within a specific time. Fifth step, evaluation. Now here, evaluation of the project should be done both by the student as well as teacher. Both the people are trying to understand the project's progress. Here students are evaluating their task. They understand how far they could complete and they determine whether the objectives are achieved or not. They themselves understand. After that, they criticize and express their feeling about the task freely. The evaluation of the projects has to be done in the light of plans, difficulties in the execution and achieved results. So this is all about evaluation of the project. Fifth step. Sixth step, reporting and recording. Now they have completed their project. Now they are reporting and recording also. Whatever they have done there, they have done every step, and every step they have to note also. So this sixth step they are reporting now. It is the last step in the project method in which each and every step of the work are reported. They reported things are recorded in a certain order in a book form. They will write down in a book form or in the project itself what are the steps they are following, how they are going about, every detail, small matter also they should record in that book. It should include the proposal, plan, and its discussion, duties allotted to different students, and how far they were carried out by them. Every details is written in that record. It should also include the details of place visited and surveyed, guidance for future, and all other possible details. Even they should note down where from they have collected, how many days they had to go to collect the data. All details, survey report, collection details also should be noted in the report. The book formatted report is submitted to the teacher at the end. Along with the project, they will write this report also they will submit to the teacher. Scope of the project. Here now, how they are going to present the project in front of teacher. Now here, first of all, they will have structure of the total project work. First of all, it is introduction. Then second part is detail of the topic, meaning and definition of the topic, whichever they have selected. Then explanation of the concept. If necessary, they will use dramatic presentation or explanation. It is possible they may use numerical explanation also. It may possible that application of the concept they will do some other way. So this is the structure of details of the topic. Then comes next type is pros and cons of the economic event or happening. Whatever topics they have taken, what are the benefit and against the plan or topics, whatever they learned in this project method, they will explain here. Then comes major criticism related to the topic. If any shortcomings they find in their project, that they will explain in this time. Then students' own views, perception, opinion, and learning from the work, that will come in the next step, whereby student will explain their own views, whatever they have perception about the topics, opinion, and learning outcome, everything they will write down. And last step, learning outcome, any other valid ideas. After learning outcome, they may add their own new innovation or innovative way of thinking about the project, their own final outcome, whatever they felt that should be the outline achievement of this project, that they will write. So this is how presentation they will make of the project. Mode of presentation and submission of the project. First, at the end of the stipulated term, each student will present the work in the project file with viva voice to the external examiner. So naturally, teacher was a monitor and the supervisor of the student. So now somebody external, somebody examiner should be there who will actually now guide the whole thing, so whether it has gone as per the project spirit or not. So that is why external we have to call, who will actually finally give the mark. The external examiner should value the effort of the student on the criteria suggested. So what is the criteria here? Marking scheme is like this. Relevance of the topics, they will get allotted 3 marks. Then knowledge, content, or research work, whatever they have done on this project, they will be getting certain marks, like 6 marks is allotted for that. Then presentation or technique, how beautifully they have presented the entire recording to project work everywhere, how beautifully they have presented on this, they will get 3 marks. Then viva, there will be viva test also with the external examiner, whereby 8 marks they will get, and total marks will come after every step over, it is 20 marks. So total project is for 20 marks. Now outcomes of the project work, if we see, after the project work, the student will be able to do the following. What they are actually going to learn, they develop a practical approach by using modern technologies in the field of economics, get an opportunity for exposure to the operational environment in the field of economic and related services. So they